Team Keychron is back this year, all charged up with a new product. Introducing Keychron K2, an 84-key wired or wireless dual-mode mechanical keyboard. It's much smaller compared to the traditional 87-key keyboard, but it still offers the most commonly used shortcut keys. Designed for both Mac and Windows, it allows you to switch between OS easily. It also offers Mac function keys, which lacks in most other keyboards. K2 features Gateron switches that will give you excellent tactile feedback. Whether you are like linear, clicky, and a little in between, we've got you covered. Featuring white and RGB backlit, it has over 15 different light effects. You can switch between them with one touch. With the adjustable rubber feet stands, an incredible typing experience is yours. With the largest battery capacity inside any mechanical keyboard ever, the K2 is good enough to last up to 2 weeks on a single charge. The K2 allows you to connect up to 3 devices at once, making it the most productive and efficient mechanical keyboard on the market. K2 also features a Type-C interface for those who want to use it in wired mode. K2 is not just any other mechanical keyboard, but a brilliant typing experience you can't resist.